Hello, today I'm going to be talking about screening job candidates on social media. I'm going to be taking this from the employer's perspective rather than the candidate perspective. I think this is important and it stood out to me in this week's module because we're all going to be in these positions and it's good to know kind of what's going on behind the scenes when we're applying for jobs. So just some stats to start. 51% of employees who researched job candidates on social media said that they found content that caused them not to hire the candidate. This statistic has actually gone up by 10% each year since 2012. 43% of employers use social media sites to research job candidates. This was a high number for the amount of jobs that are out there, and both of these come from the 2014 survey by CareerBuilder. So the ethical question here is, can employers look up applicants on social media when making employment decisions? Laws protecting these candidates, I want to point these out real quick, are the Federal Credit Reporting Act, which is a federal law that regulates how consumer reporting agencies use information. So in this case, they're using the information to weigh the employment options if the candidate is going to be right for their company or not. So the Act covers reports about a person's character, general reputation, personal characteristics, or mode of living. And we all know that that can all be found on social media. Other laws that are protecting candidates are the discrimination laws. A lot of this has to do, an example that is given in several articles is disability. If an employer goes on a social media site and finds that someone is disabled and they don't hire them for that reason, this is unethical, and I would say based on the rights approach. Every person should have an equal opportunity. Of course, this is depending on the job. If it's a highly labor-intensive job, then that can obviously be a problem. So let's put it into a situation. You are the employer, and you're looking to fill a position. You have already interviewed the candidates, and they have filled out applications. For analysis, all of the candidates acknowledge that they are eligible for a background check on the application, and you decide that you will only look at the social media accounts that are public. You won't go digging for more information. So the decision, you go ahead and look them up because you figure that all of this is ethical. They said it was okay. You're looking at public information. What could go wrong? So is it ethical or unethical? I think it would be ethical. Based on the common good approach, as the decision maker, you're the only one that is looking at this, and you want to do what's best for the whole company. You want someone that is professional and that will excel in the position that you're going to give them. The applicants are forewarned about the background check, so any disclosure there's proof of that. And the search is limited to public profiles. There's no evidence that you're going digging for any other information other than that. Thank you.